Hello everyone, welcome to Mama Soul Kitchen.
And cooking with Granny. Today she wants to show me a healthy way of eating a nice bagel sandwich for breakfast. Alright, now go ahead. What is this crap? Because you know I ain't into no healthy stuff.
Okay, grandmother, we have to be a little bit more healthier. You know, the holidays here, we got to make sure that we get our healthy foods in as well.
What is it?
Okay, so we have a nice multi-grain bagel. We have spinach, tomato. And we have also a Kobe Jack cheese. We have some hummus.
Some who?
Some hummus. It's nice garbanzo beans that are nicely mashed up and with a nice flavor. And it's a little bit more healthier for you. Now, I did give you a little treat.
What?
We have some cream cheese on there as well. Some nice chive cream cheese.
Okay.
Now, I know you're going to love it. We have to look at being a little bit more healthier by the end of the year because we want our new year to be in with a bang, right?
Well, whatever you say. But can you add some onion on there?
Well, yeah, we can add onion on there. That's fine. I just want you to have a little bit more healthier food choices for now.
We'll see.
Well, Grandma, just give it a chance, okay?
Well, okay. Because you guys know that I get kind of picky about the things.
Well, I know that, Grandmother. That's why we're trying to make sure that you eat a little bit more healthier. Just try these options and you'll feel it.
Well, what's some little chips things?
Well, these are just some sun chips. These are some sun-dried tomato sun chips that I decided to give you a little bit of a crunch to go with your sandwich.
But it ain't no sandwich if you ain't got no meat on it.
I know, Grandmother, but it's still a sandwich because it's much healthier for you. You know why? Because we want you around a little longer.
Oh, okay. I'll go ahead and eat it. Okay.
So how was it?
Well, it was delicious. This was actually not that bad. I actually enjoyed it. I really didn't miss the meat. You're right. Anyway, it was really tasty. It was really good. I would eat it again.
Well, that's good news, Grandmother. That's what we want to hear. So if you guys like to see more of healthy cooking with Mama Soul Kitchen for the year of
2022 to help Granny get through to the healthier side, go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe button below because we have a lot more coming to you soon. My granddaughter, I'm so proud of you. It was very good.
Well, I'm very happy that you even gave it a chance, Grandmother.
Well, I didn't think that not eating meat would be so, healthy. But anyway, okay.
Well, anyway, you guys stay tuned.
All right, you guys, see you soon. Bye.